Good morning, friends. Welcome to the 8th edition of Turin, the Korean capital, and we are here today at the very famous, world-renowned Bicerin coffee shop in Turin, Italy, with Dr. Landi. Welcome, Dr. Landi. Good morning.
Welcome to you, and we are very glad to host you in this very ancient premise, the ancient coffee house, and to tell something about the story of this place and historical place. I am the curator of this place because this the coffee house, the cafe, is property of our family. It was run up to 1915 by my wife that passed in that year, and now is the property of the family, and I am in charge for curating this
So,
business.
so this has actually been property of your own family.
Yes, so the family Costa.
Wow. So this is dating back to the 17th century, right?
Yes, it is 7056, the founding date.
Wow. So imagine that this is like I used to call it a Stargate, just like in the movie, because when you step in, you are way back in the centuries, right?
More or less, this we like, and we are glad and proud to preserve the history and the atmosphere of this place. We are back in the 17th century, and it's very special to stay here, to spend some time, to drink something in this unique cafe.
Yes, very well. It's so true. I mean, as a native Turinese, this is one of the places where with my mom I used to come every single Friday afternoon.
Yes?
Yes, after school, my mom would pick me up after her job. We would take a walk. We would go window shopping in Via Garibaldi. Then we would hop over here. I would get my hot chocolate. She would get her Bicerin, and then we would go to the church because when you're not that good in school, or when you have a test, you need extra help, right? And then we would go on and keep shopping. So it's really part of our DNA.
Yeah, yeah. The same is for me because when I was a child in the 60s, I remember that when I went with my mother to have the vacunas, the signs, the
Yeah,
anti-polio,
yeah, yeah, the
yeah,
vaccines.
the
Yes.
vaccine, sorry,
Yeah.
that is the building of our, where there were
Yeah, the vaccination building.
vaccination, yeah. It's just at the opposite, on the other side of the block. We get used to come here to
Yes.
take a chocolate.
Like a
It's,
treat, like it was a treat, right? A super treat, like something like a little prize,
sorry.
like a prize. Like after the vaccination, you
Ah
get a
yes, yeah,
treat.
yeah, yeah. The sort of path. And the same was with my grandmother that get used. She was Catholic, and she get used to go to the church of Consolata. It's very important.
Yeah, very powerful.
Were powerful at the time, especially, um, and so it's a really tradition. Then I get in touch with my wife in the middle of the 80s, and she was running this place, and we felt in love, and it is more or less 30 years that I am involved in
Nel negozietto a fianco sul
in this
bagnetto.
story, and not only in the business, but in to be a part of this very particular thing. Discovery is a good description.
Yes,
I think.
yes, yes. And I will take a little bit of advantage of you because you are an architect, aren't you?
No, I have a degree in architecture, but I have even an MBA. So my business is mainly run consultancy firms. I was manager in various company, and we run a consulting. At this moment, we run a consulting company, and so I'm divided between running the consulting company and the butchery, and then I have even a business activity in photography and in publishing.
Ah, that's so interesting. But the reason why I wanted to take advantage of your architecture studies was because of the decor of this
No,
shop.
mainly because if you have a study that are in the border between uh, the art and the technique, like his architecture studies, you have a big consciousness of what you have around you. So you know the story, you understand the story of the style, the story of the city, of the country, and even you can afford every part of the maintenance and the other things. So that's very good. But it's very important. My wife, Marité, his name was Marité Costa. We have a picture of her on that wall.
Marité was
Marité.
a star. I mean,
Marité was a real star. Before dying, she had not a prize, but was nominated one of the Turinese, the people of Turin, emblematic, iconic.
Yes.
In the I think was the 2013. I think. She was a really star, but she always she said for run a business like this, you have not to come from the same for the food and beverage sector.
yes.
She before to do this, she have other business. She was in the industry, and but she loved this place when it was possible when possible to run it. She jumped over and
With passion.
with big passion.
Yes.
And another thing is that she was really passionate, was really addicted by the sweet.
Ah.
Absolutely, she was
So
crazy
she had
for this.
like not just one sweet tooth, but all of them.
And then she, when we traveled for everything, for job, or for tourism, or from other region, for family meeting, always she had some was always searching something on sweet. I remember one time in Leningrad, at the time was already St. Petersburg. That
Not in Florida.
not in Florida, but in the USSR, in ex-USSR.
Sorry, yes.
It was a summer, but it was very hot, very cold climate. If I remember, was quite snowy, and we found a very small cabin with inside the ladies that was cooking a sort of I don't know the name, but in Netherlands their name poffertjes are small things of flowers, deep fried with overtopped with sugar. Very
Ah.
simple, but well amazing.
Well,
Well,
come on.
great.
Everything that is fried is
It's-
delicious by
For sure,
definition.
by definition, I agree with you.
And Marité,
Absolutely.
absolutely, she declared that, right?
Because she signed the paper
Yes.
declaration.
Yes, absolutely.
So this is what what aim and the passion for the food, for the story, for the atmosphere of this place. She was really special person.
Yes. So we are sitting at a very famous place because you can see this is Mr. Cavour, our Italian very first prime minister, and he would come every single day. And he would come here, right? He would take his walk and
Well,
have his pizzeria.
Of course, this is the legend.
Mm.
The legend is a legend. But the legend say that the Count of Cavour, Camillo Benso, Count of Cavour, Earl of Cavour,
Earl.
in English, but
consultando
Conte di
ancora la
Cavour,
lista, stanno posando le
the legend
teste.
say that he get used to sit in this corner because from this corner he could watch outside this curtain of the window to watch the exit of the church and to watch if the king of when exit from way out from the church because Cavour was not radical, was liberal, was anti-clerical, and was not in relation with the church, and so he didn't like to inside. And he is waiting, was waiting the king
To come out.
To come out, exactly. Watching from this window and the back.
But he was a picker because also in Palazzo Carignano, where the parliament was, he would move the curtain or open the window according again to the legend, and then he would wave with his handkerchief to the chef
Yeah,
of his
maybe
cambio,
get
right?
used to do this, such as things. Yeah.
So he loved to do that through the windows. He had something. He had a thing for the windows. But tell us a little bit about the Bicerin coffee. This is our Turin special coffee.
But the Bicerin coffee is not a coffee. The Bicerin is a Bicerin.
Okay, so it's a
That
drink.
is a
A coffee drink.
Is a drink that is made even with coffee.
Okay.
And
Cosa vuole cambiare? Cosa vuole
it
cambiare?
is
Sì, cosa
very
vuoi prendere?
ancient. It is a drink that the legend said that was
Okay.
born in these places and was born around the middle of the
Vado a vedere invece se
18th
te cosa
century.
prende.
Okay.
Yeah. And is a mix of 3 layers of coffee, hot coffee.
So like espresso, is it? Not really.
No, at the time, espresso wasn't yet invented yet.
That's true. That's true.
Because the espresso is an invention of the beginning of the 20th century.
That's true.
So, at the time was normal coffee, not espresso. For this reason, we use particular coffee, a particular way of brewing it to preserve the original taste. And so the coffee, hot chocolate, dark chocolate, our chocolate, we are liquid chocolatier. And you can drink here hot chocolate, cup of hot chocolate, and the chocolate in the Bicerin sea. And it is topped with cream. Cream is the fat part of the milk.
So it's not whipped cream.